Hello everyone. This video is related to the subject Physical and Analytical Chemistry from the SY course. This is the second part of my previous video related to the numericals from activation energy. So activation energy is related to the first chapter from the physical chemistry, that is a chemical kinetics. Already we discussed the important formula related to the activation energy, that is EA is equals to 2.303 into R in square bracket T2 into T1 divided by T2 minus T1 into log of K2 upon K1. So by using this formula we have to calculate the activation energy. So we see practically what are the different types of numerical. So the first numerical is the temperature coefficient of K35 upon K25 for the saponification of ethyl acetate with NaOH is 1.82. Calculate the energy of activation in calories if R is equals to 2 calorie mole inverse, degree inverse. So here one saponification process is given for the ethyl acetate with NaOH with temperature coefficient K35 and K25 which is equals to 1.82. So from this given information of saponification of ethyl acetate with NaOH, we can get the idea or we get the given things, that is the temperature coefficient, that is K35 upon K25 which is equals to K2 upon K1, that is a rate constant value. So 35 and 25 are the temperature. So at this temperature the rate constant is equals to 1.82. So we can get the given things, that is T2 is equals to 35 degrees Celsius and T1 is equals to 25 degrees Celsius. So firstly we have to convert these things in Kelvin. So 35 is equals to 308 Kelvin and 25 is equals to 298 Kelvin. And the value of K2 upon K1 is equals to 1.82 because here given the temperature coefficient. So the value of K2 upon K1 is equals to 1.82 and again the value of R is given. So we get all the given values and simply we have to calculate the energy of activation. So by using our formula, that is EA is equals to 2.303 into R in square bracket T1 into T2 divided by T2 minus T1 into log of K2 divided by K1. So the value of R is equals to 2. The value of R is equals to 2 into 2.303. T1 is equals to 298 Kelvin and T2 is equals to 308 Kelvin divided by 308 minus 298 bracket complete into log of K2 upon K1 which is equals to 1.82. So simply we calculate this thing. So 2.303 into 2 is equals to 4.606. 298 into 308 is 91784 divided by 10 and log of 1.82 is equals to 0.2600. And when we multiply all the terms we get the final answer, that is 10991.6 calories. Here already mentioned that calculate the energy of activation in calories. So this value is in calorie and this is the final answer, that is the energy of activation for the reaction. So in this numerical the important part is only to get the idea, that is the temperature coefficient is given for the ethyl acetate with NaOH is 1.82. So we get the idea that 1.82 is the value of K2 upon K1 and 35 and 25 are the temperatures. Then again we will see one more example, that is for a given reaction at 25 degrees Celsius rate constant doubles when temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius. What is the energy of activation for the reaction? So again in this numerical, given that the reaction at 25 degrees Celsius the rate constant doubles when temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius. So our first temperature is what? 25 degrees Celsius, means the T1 is equals to 25 degrees Celsius and the T2 temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius. So 25 degrees Celsius is T1 and second temperature is increased by 10 degrees Celsius. So T2 is equals to 35, means 25 plus 10, which is equals to 35 degrees Celsius. Here the rate constant doubles when the temperature is increased. So when we increase the temperature by 10 degrees Celsius, our rate constant get double. So the value of K1 upon K2 is equals to what? Which is equals to 2, because the rate constant get doubles in this reaction. And we have to convert this 25 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So 25 is equals to 298 and 35 degrees Celsius is equals to 308 Kelvin. So important part is what? We have to identify the temperature and the rate constant value. And then simply we have to put this value in our formula, that is EA is equals to 2.303 into R in square bracket T1 into T2 divided by T2 minus T1 into log of K2 upon K1. So when we add the given things in the given formula, the log of 2 is equals to 0.3010, and when we multiply the whole things, we get the final answer, that is 12724.9 calorie. We also convert this calorie into kilocalorie, that is a 7249, that is kilocalorie. So this is the final answer of energy of activation. Thank you.